Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
A very warm good morning to the Honorable Assistant Regional Officer, Sir, respected Principal Sri A.K. Jha, Sir, dignified teachers, all the invitees, parents, and our students. On behalf of our school, I extend a very sincere welcome to all of you present here. Now, let me introduce you to our dynamic principal, Sri A.K. Jha, sir. We are delighted to work under him. He is very hardworking and dry, honest person. I am fully confident that our future is secured under his leadership. I would like to call Sri A.K. Jha, sir. Sir, please say few words to us.
Honorable ARO Jharkhand Zone Ji, Sri Arun Kumar Ji, respected parents, my dear colleagues, dear students, I welcome you all in this auspicious occasion of International Yoga Day. I am very happy that my first address to the parents and students is on the occasion of Yoga Day. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual well-being practice which originated in India. It has now been accepted worldwide, and people from all the nations acknowledge the benefits that brings to their life. This day, 21st June, marks the celebration of the practice that India has contributed to the world. The benefits of yoga are countless. Not only it makes the body stronger and flexible, but also improves the internal process of the body. It develops the internal organs of the body also. It provides calmness of mind and enlightens the mood and confidence, which I believe is an integral part of good health. For students, yoga plays much more important role as this is the time when your body, the student's body, as well as their mind are developing. Yoga will provide a very strong foundation which would helpful in the later stage of their life. In our school, as well, we organize multiple practice of yoga and with the help of trained teacher. This has been limited in this COVID-19. As soon as the school reopens, the same practice shall resume too. In the current situation, in the current COVID situation, the importance of yoga is amplified. COVID-19 is not only physical crisis, but also has a long-lasting impact on mental health. Yoga is very crucial weapon that we have for fighting against COVID. Let's try to take resume. Let's, let's try to take resolution on this day to add some of the yoga form in addition to some exercises in our daily life so that our health will be improved. And without good health, we cannot improve our studies, we cannot get our goal. So you must add some of the forms of yoga in your daily life and improve the concentration as well as the we can get the chance to higher studies with the good health. So thank you so much for getting involved in this yoga practice. I am eagerly waiting to see the performance of students, uh, the yoga practice. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you,
welcome
sir.
once again. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. I hope our students would get inspired by you to work hard in their life and live healthy life. We are extremely Delighted to have with our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Arun Kumar Sir, Assistant Regional Officer, Jharkhand Zone G. You don't need any introduction. I renowned noble, smart, perceptor figure of knowledge who made us feel blessed for his eminent presence over here. You are an inspiration to all of us. I would like to call our sir, Mr. Arun Kumar, to say a few words and enlighten the students with your precious word.
Good morning, everybody. Principal of this school, Mr. A.K. Jha, organizer of this program, Mrs. Munmun Banerjee, Padma, and other teachers, parents, dear students. I'm happy to see all these students here, teachers, the parents, and it has just reminded me the last year Yoga International Day, which was organized by the DAB Public School Sector 4. It was indeed very good and it was organized very nicely. And I hope that today also it will be well planned and it will be organized very in a great enthusiasm, and all the teachers, students, even the parents are involved in it. So I'm happy to see all this. Just I want to say the parents and the students who are here that yoga is very, very important for life. It gives you the happiness, it gives you the health, and without the health it is not possible to be happy. You know that nowadays when I see in the school, sometimes and maximum times at home, that the maximum students they do practice on mobile, on laptop, and there is no outdoor activities. So it is a very harmful things for the students. Just I request the parents and the teachers that they guide properly the students so that they should not practice all this on it, and they should prefer the outdoor games activities. It is very, very important that if you play outdoor games, then it will help to increase the health of the students, and it will help them to concentrate longer and to focus harder. Whatever activities it is there, all the students are very talented. All the students are having good talents, good skills, good all the things like efforts they are putting in. They are having the energy, everything. So that is only possible they will utilize it, and that will only be utilized whenever your health is good. And for the concentration, it is important that you do yoga every day. You are having all the things in life like a skill and all these, but that will be developed, and that is only possible when the teachers and the parents are involved in it. When the parents and the teachers are involved, these qualities will develop. There is no I think the students are having good qualities, all the talents, so that will develop, and it will help you that that the yoga will always be helpful for them. And you know that the small things in the life like the failure, then generally the teachers and the parents, they just think that the failure and the success are the most important things in life. But I believe that this is not much important than the life. And life, if you have the good health, then only you can enjoy the life. So just once again I tell, especially parents are also here. So एक बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ पेरेंट्स से कि बच्चों में इन सब हेल्थ के अलावा जो दूसरी चीज जो डालनी है वो है आदत, वो है संस्कार। बच्चों में अच्छी आदत डालिए, अच्छे संस्कार डालिए। कभी कभी क्या हम देखते हैं अपने आम जीवन में छोटे छोटे बच्चे कभी गलती से कोई गलत खाना खा लेता है तो वो वोमिटिंग कर देता है, उल्टी कर देता है, या उसका पेट खराब हो जाता है। लेकिन आप ये देखिए, जब हमारे अंदर अच्छे संस्कार, अच्छी आदतें नहीं पड़ेगी तो उस समय उसका प्रभाव नहीं दिखता, वो उल्टी नहीं दिखती। वो जब वो समय दिखता है जब हमारा जीवन आगे बढ़ता रहता है, जब हम 20 साल 25 साल के हो जाते हैं तब उसका असर दिखता है। सो दिस इज वेरी हार्मफुल दैट यू ऑलवेज पुट द गुड हैबिट्स एंड गुड मोरल कैरेक्टर अमॉन्ग द स्टूडेंट्स। और मैं ये मानता हूं कि टीचर्स एंड द पेरेंट्स ये दोनों ही जिम्मेवार होते हैं बच्चों में अच्छी आदत डालने के लिए। और अच्छी आदत लेना डालना ये आसान नहीं होता, इसमें समय लगता है और ये आसान नहीं होता है। उसी प्रकार से लेकिन गलत आदत अब बड़े आराम से अपने जीवन में धारण कर लेते हैं बच्चे, और बड़े आसानी से आ जाता है। जो गलत आदत है, जो गंदे हैबिट्स हैं, वो सभी अपने जीवन में अपने आप ही आ जाते हैं। इसलिए थोड़ा समय लगता है ये अच्छी आदतें डालने के लिए, लेकिन जीवन आसान बन जाता है। योर लाइफ विल बिकम very happy, your life will become very easy if you grasp the good habits in life. So once again, I request all the parents and the teachers on this occasion that always try to put the good habits in the students. However, it is difficult, it takes time. Even then, you should always try to put the good habit so that their life becomes very happy. अच्छी आदतों के साथ जीवन गुजारना आसान होता है और बहुत ही खुशी होती है अपने जीवन में। and that person, that child or the anybody, they can enjoy the life. but even the अगर गंदी आदतें आ जाए अपने जीवन में, कोई धारण कर लेता है, तो उसको जीवन में पास करना, उसके जीवन को जीना वो थोड़ा दुर्लभ हो जाता है और दिक्कतें आती है अपने जीवन में। इसलिए मैं जो पेरेंट्स हैं मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूं कि आप अपने बच्चों में अच्छी आदतें डालिए, अच्छे संस्कार डालिए, अच्छे खाना खिलाइए, जो नेचुरल फूड है वो खिलाइए। इन सब का संयोग बन करके ही आपका हेल्थ सही बनेगा। और अपने बच्चों को अगर भविष्य बनाना चाहते हैं तो हमेशा ध्यान रखें कि उनका बॉडी, माइंड, स्पिरिट, ये तीनों का संयम बड़ा जरूरी है। और ये तभी संभव हो पाएगा जब हम फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करें और योगा करें, ताकि हम अपने जीवन को अच्छा बनाएं और आगे बढ़ने में हर चीज जो whatever I think, whatever you think, whatever you have planned for your child, then only it will be possible when you concentrate longer or focus harder, and that is only possible when you do the yoga regularly. जब हम रेगुलर करते हैं, हम अपने शरीर को डेवलप करते हैं। जैसा मैंने अभी बताया कि बच्चों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपने मोबाइल, अपने लैपटॉप, कंप्यूटर, टीवी से दूर रखें और आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज पर ध्यान दें। हालांकि you have changed your life these days. For the last 2 years I am seeing that everything is doing online. पढ़ाई भी ऑनलाइन में हो रहे हैं, सब कुछ ऑनलाइन में हो रहा है, एक्टिविटीज भी ऑनलाइन में हो रहा है, हर चीज जो स्कूल से रिलेटेड है वो ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं। then nowadays it has very difficult to keep the child, the parents and the teachers away from these instruments, this mobile or the laptop. Even then we should try that students should play games, outdoor activities, they should be involved so that their activities will help them to grow them properly. So with these words, once again I congratulate all of you, the teachers, principal, the students, the parents, everybody on this Yoga International Day. And I hope that likewise the other activities, the DAV Sector 4 will do everything under the able guidance of the new principal, Mr. A.K. Jha. And I hope that as of previous years, everything will be nice and with a disciplined way and with the a good hope and the good that you will achieve the success. So my good wishes to all of you on this occasion, and my good wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Your words always inspired to us to work better. In these times, you have said yoga can be a powerful tool to to deal with the lockdown, uncertainty, and isolation, as well as to maintain physical well being. So, let us all change our lifestyle and adopt yoga practices. So, thank you for your thoughtful message to live a healthy life. Thank you, sir. Seema Patel of Class 5B, speech on the occasion of International Yoga Day.
दैहिक दैविक भौतिक व्याधियों का शमन, स्वस्थ तन मन तनाव मुक्त जीवन का अपरिहार्य साधन है योग। मैं सीमा पटेल डीएवी सेक्टर 4 बोकारो स्टील सिटी से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस पर आप सभी गुरुजनों को वसुदेव कुटुंबकम के परंपरा के अनुसार आप सभी का अभिनंदन एवं स्वागत करती हूँ। योग प्रकृति की अमूल्य धरोहर है। महामारी के भयंकर प्रकोप कोरोना से बचने बचाने का एक अहम कड़ी योग है। सर्वविदित है कि वर्तमान की विपरीत परिस्थितियों में मानसिक संतुलन, प्राणवायु, आनंद की अनुभूति बनाए रखने के लिए विश्व को करना होगा योग, क्योंकि योग भगाए रोग। मैं सीमा पटेल बच्चे से बूढ़े तक सभी को डीएवी के प्रांगण से योग करने की विनीत आग्रह करती हूँ, जिसे सभी लोग काफी हद तक अंतश्चेतना तथा अंतर प्रेरणा को दैदीप्यमान कर सके। स्वस्थ रहिए, प्रसन्न रहिए और लगातार योग करते रहिए और प्रतिदिन कहते रहिए कि ओम अस्तो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योति निगमया मृत्यो मा अमृतम गमया। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Very good, Seema. You beautifully expressed the importance of yoga. Dear student, during the COVID pandemic, yoga built a strong physical, mental, and spiritual health system. Now, Shagun of Class 5A is going to present a yoga awareness dance.
सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। अपनी संस्कृति राष्ट्र राष्ट्र को एक जुड़ाए लाए, अपनी संस्कृति राष्ट्र राष्ट्र को एक जुड़ाए लाए। राष्ट्रभाव मन में जगाए, पतंजलि जन्म पावे। नवनियमों का पालन करके क्षमाचरण बढ़ाए, हिंदुस्तान की शान बढ़ाए, योग सत्य जाने। सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। क्रोध मोह को खूब संभाले, मन मंदिर में ईश जगा ले। क्रोध मोह को खूब संभाले, मन मंदिर में ईश जगा ले। योग कर्म अपनाने से ही धर्म जाति मिट जावे, योग धर्म अपनाने से ही धर्म बड़ा हो जावे, हो जावे, हो जावे।
कर्म कर दीजे, कर दीजे, कर्म कर दीजे, कर दीजे, कर्म कर दीजे, कर्म कर दीजे, कर्म कर्म कर दीजे, कर दीजे।
दिन जाने आँख खोले मन मिटाए योग करिए, दिन जाने आँख खोले मन मिटाए योग करिए, योग करिए। सूरज देते स्मरण करिए, मंत्र गाए नमन करिए, भजन करिए, यजन करिए, ईश पुकारे पूजा करिए, सांस ले तन में धरे वसन करिए, तन उठाए तन सवारे मन सवारे जीव को धरने।
शिव को धर ले, शिव को धर ले।
अपनी संस्कृति अपना ले तू भारत के तू युवा, भारत का गौरव बढ़ाते तिरंगे को छुआ, तिरंगे को छुआ, तिरंगे को छुआ।
Really, it is a heart-touching performance. You made us feel like we were dancing with you. Lord Krishna defines yoga as a balanced state of body and mind. It is a balanced state of thought, intellect, and behavior. Yoga is not only associated with a system of physical postures and meditation, but in its original form, it has a deep spiritual significance. It is a way of life and it can do anything. I wish you all peaceful and healthy life on International Yoga Day. Now students, our guide teacher, Mr. K.K. Dua sir is going to demonstrate yoga asanas, Surya Namaskar and breathing exercises to you. So let us spread our yoga mat and do the follow his with enchanting music. Surya Namaskar, also known as the ultimate asana. Strengthen your back as well your muscles and brings down blood sugar level. It also improves metabolism and blood circulation, hence a glowing skin and hair. Sun salutation is an ancient technique to paying respect to the sun. It is a form of expressing gratitude to this source of all life on earth. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar enhances the size of the solar plexus. This in turn increases your creativity, intuitive abilities, decision making, confidence, and leadership skills. This is why the practice of Surya Namaskar is highly recommended. Very soon it will be get disconnected. Only 20 seconds are left. Please rejoin. After 15 seconds, again rejoin this meeting. Surya Namaskar was completed on that time. Now standing position asanas. Yes, Sangeeta Behra ma'am. Now you will guide.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome you back, all of you, to this online session of the celebration of International Yoga Day. Good morning to all. So starting with standing position yogasanas. First of all, we will start with Tadasana. Vrikshasana. Strengthens thighs, calves, and spine. A very good yogasana for students. Now we will do with the other side. Padahastasana. It helps to eliminate stress, anxiety by energizing the whole body. Trikonasana. It reduces stress and at the same time strengthens the legs, knees, and arms. Virabhadrasana. This yogasana improves focus, balance, and stability. Also helps in energizing the entire body. Now standing position yogasanas will be carried forward by Munmun ma'am.
Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. Now, sitting position. Students, sit down on your mat. First is Vadrasana. It strengthens the thigh, hips. It is good for developing flexibility of the legs. Bhadrasana is an excellent posture for meditation. Next is Padmasana and Baddha Padmasana. Padmasana and Baddha Padmasana blossom just like a lotus with the lotus position yoga or Padmasana yoga. Cross your legs and ease out your piled up stress hormones to rejuvenate yourself. The Padmasana yoga gives your abdominal region a gentle massage, thus managing to boost your digestion. Continuous stretches of the knees and ankle joints give them the strength and endurance your body. Next is Utthita Padmasana. Improve the strength of the arms and the shoulders. Improve the digestive system as the core and the abdominal muscles are to the maximum. Next is Gomukhasana. Because your hands press into your back in this pose, it encourages proper alignment of your spine and helps strengthen your back. Ardha Matsyendrasana. It stimulates the liver and kidney, stimulates the digestive fire in the belly, energizes the spine. It also cleans your internal organs. This pose releases the excess toxin and heat from your body, tissues, and organs. Janu asanas calms the brain and helps relieve mild depression, stimulates the liver and kidney, improve digestion. It relieves anxiety, fatigue, and headache also. Paschimottanasana. Calm the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. Improve digestion. It soothes headache and anxiety and reduce fatigue also. And improve the metabolism. Vajrasana and Ardha Kurmasana. Vajrasana pose helping keep the mind calm and stable, curing digestive acidity and gas formation. Sasakasana, hair asana. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety, relieve constipation and improve digestion. It also helps relieve back pain. Ustrasana. Reduce fat on thigh, stretches and it strengthens the shoulder and back. Expand the abdominal region, improving digestion and elimination. Improve posture, open the chest, improving respiration, relieves lower back pain. Mandukasana. Mandukasana gives you relief from diabetes, digestive disorders, and constipation. This pose improves the flexibility and mobility of the knee and ankle joints. This pose is Bakasana. It is a crane pose. Strengthen arm, shoulder, so they can hold your body weight. It helps make your wrist stronger, your spine is toned and strengthened. The pose can improve your sense of balance and focus, help to build confidence, courage, and combat fear. Now I am going to give hand over to Mike. This is Sangeeta ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Now moving towards lying position asanas. For this, all of you lie down on your back. Starting with Pavana Muktasana. Pavana Muktasana strengthens abdominal muscles and helps in weight loss, and at the same time improves digestion. Utthana Padasana. It is a very good yogasana for stomach disorders like acidity and indigestion. It also cures back pain. Naukasana. The practice of Naukasana strengthens the abdominal muscles, improves the functioning of all the organs in the abdomen, especially the liver, pancreas, kidneys. Ardha Salvasana. Ardha Salvasana strengthens the muscles of the spine and back of the arms and the legs. Setubandhanasana. At the same time, calms the brain and nervous system. Sarvanga Asana. Regular practice of Sarvangasanas boosts blood circulation, is also very good for eyes and improves concentration. Matsyasana stimulates the pituitary gland and increases the blood supply to the head, relieves stress. It is a very good yogasana for those who sit all day long at the desk with poor posture. Halasana. Halasana calms the brain, stretches the shoulder and spine, reduce stress and tension. Now, lying position yogasanas 2. For this, I am handing over the mic to Munmun ma'am.
सर्पासना और भुजंगासना. Lying on stomach, this pose stretches the lungs, shoulders, chest, and abdomen with increased influence on the thoracic region. Sarpasana strengthens the spine and also helps in relieving stress. Salavhasana. Strengthen the muscles of the spine and back of the arms and legs. Improve posture, stimulate abdominal organs, help to reduce stress. Mayurasana. This is peacock pose. Peacock pose removes toxins and detoxify your body. Improve the function of digestive system and make abdomen stronger. Mayurasana is beneficial in piles and diabetes. Sirsasana. Enhance pituitary function, revitalizes the nervous system, enhance the control of the endocrine system. Sirsasana increases the blood flow to the brain. It helps rectify glandular disorders and enhance brain function. Enhance brain function. Relieves stress. Improves digestion. Strengthens the shoulder and arms also. Next is pranayama. Now I am hand over mic to Sangeeta Behra ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. We will move towards to the pranayams, starting with Vastrika Pranayam. Vastrika energizes the entire body and mind. It is a great exercise for the lungs and helps people suffering from respiratory problem. Regular practice of Kapalabhati improves blood circulation and digestion. It helps to rid our body of harmful toxins. Uddiyana Bandha. Uddiyana Bandha Pranayam strengthens the abdominal muscles and stimulates blood circulation. It also helps the blood flow in our heart. Miss regulate the fire element of the body, which in turn helps improve our overall well-being. Anulom Vilom.
Sangeeta ma'am, you open your headphone. Due to headphone, this sound is coming. Open your headphone and do it. Yes.
Physical well-being, but also improves our mental health. It helps reduce stress and anxiety. Bhramari Pranayam. It is the best cure for stress. It nurtures peace in our whole being, which in turn results in health. It relieves tension also. Dhyan Mudra. Dhyan relieves stress and calm the mind.
Very soon we will disconnect. For 10 minutes, all of you join. Vote of thanks will be disconnect after 10 seconds. So, students and dignitaries, please join. Now we come to end of this lively and gainful gathering. Prior to winding it up, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the chief guest ARO sir, who spared time from his busy schedule to grace the occasion. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path, and it will surely encourage us in our future events. My most sincere thanks to our principal sir for gracing us with this presence. You are always standing with us, pillar of strength. I am immensely thankful to KK Dua sir, Sangeeta Behra ma'am, Padma ma'am, and Kalyani ma'am for their efforts. I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation for Seema and Shagun. I big thank you to all the participants, kids, parents, audience, and all the loving teachers and staff members of DAV 4 Bokaro fraternity for these untiring efforts. Thank you so much for attending this event, to each one of you who made this Yoga Day celebration memorable. for all of us. Now, all of you get ready for Santi part.
ॐ द्यौ शान्ति अन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्ति ॐ
Thanks, sir, and all participants. Now, I'm end this meeting. Okay, sir? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.